This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Rogue trunk from the inside. First, you'll need to locate the emergency release lever. This small, often glow-in-the-dark handle is a vital safety feature. Once you find it, simply pull the lever firmly towards you. This action will unlatch the trunk, allowing it to open. It's a straightforward process designed for quick access in an emergency. The emergency release is specifically designed for situations where you might be trapped inside the trunk. It's usually a bright, T-shaped handle or a small pull cord, making it easy to spot even in low light. You'll typically find it mounted on the inside of the trunk lid, very close to the main latch mechanism. Knowing its exact location is important for your safety and peace of mind. Before attempting to use the release, make sure there are no items in the trunk obstructing your access or the mechanism itself. When you're ready, grasp the handle or cord and pull it with a gentle but firm motion. You should hear a distinct click or pop as the latch disengages. The trunk lid will then spring open, providing your exit. It's designed to be simple and effective. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself and any regular passengers with the location and operation of this emergency release. This is especially important for children, so they know what to do in an unlikely but critical situation. Remember, this feature is there for your safety. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help simplify your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.